My name is James Gaffigan, Business Sales Manager for Smart Technologies. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for joining online. We're going to be discussing the business solution product lineup, which is designed for simpler and more interactive workspaces. So why this need for collaboration technology in business? There are more digital natives entering the workforce. This includes Generation Z, those born from 1996 to 2012. They're very technologically savvy and have grown up with multiple screens and using them simultaneously. They prefer to be collaborative and they like communicating with images and symbols. This is extremely important when it fits into the ease of use of smart products. There's also this change in how meeting spaces have looked. How they used to be was in one specific room, whether it was a training room, a boardroom, or in one designated place. Now, meetings can take place anywhere, whether it's huddle zones, open spaces, personal offices, or lounges. Less cubes, more collaboration. Smart has a wide variety of products, ranging from our interactive displays to our software, which is designed to be simpler, better, and more collaborative to fit your environment. One of the pillars that we talk about at Smart is the ability to connect. Smart interactive displays connect people no matter where you are, whether that's through video conferencing solutions or whether it's in the room. We want to make those connections that matter with your peers or your clients. Smart can help you do this, no matter where you are. We also want to keep everyone engaged. Those that are joining the meeting, we want to keep them engaged in what we're presenting. We want to make sure that everyone's on the same page, allowing for that deeper collaboration and co-creation. You want to unlock the full power of collaborations with business solutions with Smart. The last pillar that we're going to talk about is simplify. We want to make these products as easy to use as possible, whether it's walking up and using it or whether it's just deploying and maintaining these. It should be simple. The superior quality of these products allow for that future proofing. These are going to last for a long time in your office, and we want to make sure that everyone is able to use them as you would like to. This leads me into Smart Ink. This is built-in annotation software with any of our smart displays, which allows you to pick up a pen and annotate over any document or any file type that you're using. Maybe I'm going to open a website and work from a website. I can use my fingers to gesture, but maybe I want to change the color of this fabric. So I can simply pick up a pen and ink, change that fabric. I can switch to a PDF and say, hey, I think we need to put two of those right here. I'm able to just pick up that pen across multiple platforms and not have an acetate layer appear on my screen, allowing for that natural inking to take place in the meeting space. Regardless of your budget, Smart has a display for every office, whether that's the GX series, that simple and affordable alternative to non-touch displays. We have our MX Pro series that has all the interactive tools that teams need to collaborate at a great value. And then we have the best-in-class 6000S Pro series. This has superior performance with even more tools, which takes those natural workflows and collaboration to the next level. That includes additional pen packs, upgraded speakers, and technology built on top of in-glass to give that writing experience that much more natural feel. So let's talk about what you get with the business displays. What comes in the box? With all of the displays, the GX, the MX Pro, and the 6000S Pro, you get that Smart Ink annotation software. This is the ability to open any file type, any software, pick up a pen and ink, and not have that acetate layer. You also get free resources for training, whether it's printouts, whether it's courses that you can follow along with. When you look at the MX Pro and the 6000S Pro, one of the things that comes with that is a Smart Meeting Pro for perpetual license. No annual renewal fees, where you can have that collaboration and whiteboarding experience from your connected PC. You also get Smart Assure warranty. This is that peace of mind that allows you to know that, hey, if something was to happen, you have that on-site replacement. As well as our products, we also have accessories. Whether you're looking at different kind of stands, whether it's a mobile, a fixed, or a height adjustable stand, we have you covered. We also have an embedded PC module that you can use to slot right in the back of the panel, giving you that connected experience built into the board. The Smart Podium is a great product if you're looking to connect something to those projectors to make interactivity come from anywhere. You can augment content using Smart Ink and have your notes project onto a larger screen. As well as the things I showed you that come out of the box with the boards, let's talk about that free software that you get. With all the boards, whether it's the GX, MX Pro, or 6000S Pro, you're getting that free annotation software. This is that Smart Ink. This is the ability to pick up a pen and ink over top of any file or software application. With the MX Pro and 6000S Pro, you get a free collaboration software called Smart Meeting Pro. This gives you a whiteboarding and collaboration space when you're running a connected experience with the boards. You also get a free embedded software, which we call IQ, but it's an embedded Android operating system that comes in those two displays. Again, all of these things come with no cost, no subscription, and no obligation. I'm going to jump into IQ now and show you what that looks like. So now we're in that embedded Android operating system, as we call IQ. I can open a whiteboarding session, take notes and collaborate in person with my colleagues or clients. I can open a Chromium browser, pull in that web-based content that I need. Or if I want to have wireless screen sharing from in the room or outside of the room, I can utilize Smart Mirror to do this. So you heard me mention Smart Meeting Pro. So what is it? Smart Meeting Pro allows you to have that unbound workspace when you're using that connected PC experience. It's a whiteboarding space that recognizes my tools when I walk up and pick up my pen, it inks, or I can erase. It gives me the ability to scroll around and insert content, whether it's an image, a document, or other types of files. I even have access to over 100 different templates inside the gallery. When I'm done with this, I can minimize it and go back to my desktop. Whether I'm using a PowerPoint, a browser, or an image, I can simply capture either a full screen or a rectangle selection and bring that straight into my whiteboard. Then I can gesture, take my notes over top of this, allowing me to share that file out with my customers or my colleagues and give them access to the notes after the meeting. Now remember, this does come included with the MX Pro Series and the 6000S Pro Series display. To summarize, the three pillars that Smart offers on all of our products are the ability to connect, simplify, and engage. Join me next when we go into more detail on each of the product in our business lineup.